During my stay in Halifax, Nova Scotia, I had the chance to check out the Homewood Suites by Hilton Halifax-Downtown. And overall, I came away with a very positive impression. One interesting feature of this property is that it's part of a dual-branded hotel. The building actually consists of two connected towers. One houses a Hampton, while the other is home to the Homewood Suites. I had a fairly typical Homewood one-bedroom suite. As you enter the room, you're welcomed by a separate living area with a sofa and a fully equipped kitchen. The bedroom is located behind its own door, creating a proper separation between the living and the sleeping areas. It's a layout that works especially well if you're staying for several nights or simply appreciate a bit more space than a standard hotel room. The furniture also follows the more traditional Homewood design. While it's certainly not super modern, it also doesn't feel outdated or worn. Everything was clean, well maintained and comfortable, giving the suite a pleasant and inviting atmosphere. Another interesting feature was the bathroom layout. Instead of placing everything into one room, the sink is located in a separate area, while the toilet and the shower are behind another door. It definitely makes the suite more practical if two people are getting ready at the same time. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of staying at a Homewood Suites is the kitchen. And this hotel delivers a practical full kitchen. You get a fridge with a freezer compartment, a cooktop, microwave, dishwasher, sink, cookware, plates, glasses and cutlery. Since I stayed here for several days, I really appreciated being able to prepare some simple meals instead of eating at restaurants for every single meal. It makes longer stays both more convenient and more affordable. But my personal highlight was the view. My suite was located on the 15th floor overlooking Halifax Harbour, and the scenery was fantastic. The location is another major strength. I was visiting Halifax for a conference, and in the evenings we could easily walk to numerous restaurants, bars and the downtown waterfront. Having everything within walking distance made the stay much more relaxing, and it's a great base for both business and leisure travelers. Overall, I think the Homewood Suites Halifax Downtown is exactly what an extended downtown stay hotel should be. It offers generous space, a useful kitchen, a comfortable suite layout, and an excellent location. If you're planning to spend more than just a night or two in Halifax, or simply enjoy having a little more room to spread out, this is definitely a hotel worth considering. I hope you enjoyed this review. Here are 2 other hotel videos, and please let me know if you have any further questions. See you next time.